Hi guys, so while I'm chilling in the car, I thought I would start my haul video. I went to the dollar store. We'll see if I get it all done now or if I finish it when I get home, but I'm waiting for my parents, so I might as well start. So I heard really good things about these. These are the Sassy and Chic makeup vanishing towels, and it's like the I can't remember what they're called, but it's basically a dupe for the, I'll put a picture. I can't remember what it's called. My brain is blanking, but I got two so I could try them. Supposedly you just need water and it'll take off all your makeup. And I've been doing collaging, and I thought this would make a good board. I'm not gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna cover it with stickers and stuff, but I thought this would be good for that. And then I got a cute little compact mirror for when I'm doing my videos. And then they have this 2-pack of little wreaths, and I have tons of faux flowers at home, and I thought a cute video idea would be making a wreath, and I couldn't find any of the bigger ones, so I settled for this small one. I got the charcoal bubble face mask by Biomiracle Skin Therapy. It's a Korean beauty mask infused with collagen. And then they had these really cute pearl clips. So I got this one and this one. There's someone behind me. And then this looked interesting. They are blemish patches. So you throw it on when you have a pimple. And I actually have a couple. You can see I didn't do my makeup down here because I was wearing a mask in the store, so there was no point, but so I got that. And then I got this cute little it's like a little dog, and it says like I heart you, and it's got cute little like hearts on its ears. I love cute little plushies like this, and this was adorable. And then I got this body mist, Carpe Diem. Our expression of the Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture. So apparently it's supposed to be like a dupe for the Juicy Couture spray. So I'm excited to try that. I'm not gonna spray it right now because my dad's really sensitive to that stuff. And he's gonna be back in the car soon, which is why I keep looking over. I keep watching for them. All right, that's one bag. All right, and then I found this Global Beauty Care gold gel face mask with applicator. It's a luxurious anti-aging skin treatment infused with gold. It is known to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by firming and toning the skin. There's a lot of noise outside, I'm sorry. Pamper yourself with the luxury of gold for a flawless, luminous, and radiant looking complexion. And it's like a whole little tub, so you could use it a couple times. And then in the party section, oh, there was two. I'm not sure where the other one is. In the party section, they had this glitter table runner, but it's basically just like glitter paper or like a glittery fabric. It's not fabric. I don't know. But it's really pretty, and I'm going to use it for some kind of DIY. It's like a gold, light gold color. And then these looked interesting. They're shower fizzers. Therapeutic, exotic, and uplifting. You're supposed to just throw it on the floor when you're taking a shower. And the fizzer, when it's sprinkled with water, the fragrance releases into the steam. And this one smells like coconuts and like spa. So it's a 3-pack for $1, which is cool. And then I got another shower fizzies because I thought these were interesting, but this is a different brand. This one was Spa April Bath and Shower. This one is Spa Naturals Luxury Collection Aromatherapy Shower Fizzies, Eucalyptus and Spearmint. So it's the same thing as the other one, except for it's a 4-pack. And yeah, you put it on the floor of the shower, and it's supposed to smell good and like relaxing and stuff. And then they have this cute little just knick-knack thing that just says babe, and it's a pink metallic thing. I thought it was really cute, and it would go with my decor. And they have these cute little cups. So this one is Star Wars. It's got Baby Yoda on it, and this one's got like Minecraft. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but that's my favorite video game. And yeah, it's pretty cute. Wow, there's someone walking by. I'm not used to this. Talking to myself. Okay. Oh, here's the other table runner. So it's more of like a bronze gold, and this one's more of like a champagne gold. And then I just got some organizers. It was 3 for $1. I love these little things. And then they had this lip gloss. I got 3 shades. It's a LA Colors Intense Color Lip Gloss. So I got it in the shade Dancer, which is a nude, Rubies, which is more of a red, and Kitten, which is like a maroony shade. I will swatch these when I get home. I don't want it to get everywhere, so I'm gonna wait to swatch these. I will throw it in a clip when I edit this of the swatches. And then I got 2 more things for possible collaging. I thought it would be cute to like collage a little frame and put something in it, and then this butterfly I thought would be fun. Oh, and I got another compact apparently. Also for filming. This one is cute. It's got like a little mermaid on it. These are helpful for when I'm filming, because then I don't have this huge clunky mirror in the way of my face while I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. All right, and then there's one more bag. So I got this. I have one at home. I thought it would be nice to have 2 for organization. It's just a cute little gold metal wire container. And then they have this cute like marble plate. It's not glass. It's more of like a plexi, what's it called? Plexiglass? No, something like that. It's more of like a plasticky, hard plastic thing. I'm not gonna use it for dishes. I'm gonna use it for just a cute platter in my room. Oh shoot, they're coming out. Let me hurry. Oh, and then there's just a couple of these cute little glass ware, and it's flat. So this is my cutest stop. Thank you for watching. I'll put an end clip in later. Bye guys. Sorry about the lighting. I just wanted to quickly finish my little haul. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Just went up 3 flights of stairs. So I picked up some glassware because I wanted to experiment also with my collaging. So I got this one. And this one. And then, now that I'm home, I can swatch these lip glosses for you quick. Ooh, the packaging is interesting. It's got that kind of applicator. My hand isn't very clean. Let me do it on my wrist. Wow. That packs a punch. That is gorgeous. Okay. I need better lighting. So there's that red one. All right, next is Dancer, which is the nude. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like these. All right, and then I'll swatch the other one quick too, which is Kitten, the maroon shade. Last time I got a gloss this dark, it wasn't very pigmented, so I'm curious because these seem to be pigmented. They're Intense Color Gloss. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Those are the 3 shades. They're really pigmented and glossy. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised. If you see these at your local dollar store, I highly recommend picking them up. They are the LA Colors Intense Color Lip Gloss. They're really nice. I really like them. Okay. And then now that I'm home, I wanted to show you quick. I got a PR package from Glam Cosmetics. I'm sorry if you hear my dad. So I am a brand ambassador for them. It's actually now Glam Cosmetics by Ginger. They recently went through a rebranding. And if you're interested in anything I show you here or anything from their brand, they do lashes and gloss and scrunchies and skincare and stuff. You can use my code Exobecca, all caps, for 20%, no, I'm sorry, for 15% off at checkout. And it's an affordable brand. So first I got the, oh, I'm out of breath from talking. I got the Ginger Root and Coconut Facial Scrub. Apply a quarter size amount to damp face, rub it in, then rinse with warm water, moisturize after. And it's got very simple ingredients. Puree ginger root, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and pure sugar cane. So I'm excited about that. And then also, I got her new, so it's a liner and lash glue. How do I open this? I'm so excited about this. I wish I would have opened this before I filmed earlier and did my makeup so I could have tried it. First of all, look at that bling. That packaging is everything. Pop it open and it's just got like an eyeliner. Pretty pigmented, actually. Look at that. I'm excited to try this and see how it works as a lash glue because it's really intriguing. So I got that. And then I got another one of her scrunchies. I got the blue scrunchie. I have a bunch of her scrunchies and I love them. She makes them herself. They're nice. And then lastly, she sent her mini lip gloss trio. They're so tiny and cute. I want to display them just because of how cute and tiny they are. So these are the shades. I will swatch them. I wish it had names on them because I have no idea. Okay, here's the brown one. It's basically a clear gloss with a tint of nude a little bit. All right. And the pink one kind of looks like it's separated a little bit. Pink one, also basically a clear gloss, but this one's got a tiny bit of a pink tinge to it. And the nude one is a clear gloss. Maybe the tiniest bit of like a gray undertone. I wish she had more pigment in her glosses, but all right, let me show you. Let me grab my light. Can you see? Wait. Yeah, there we go. Those 3 right there. So the first one is the brown, and then the middle one is the pink, and then the last one is like the nude. They're basically clear with like a tiny bit of a tint to them, but they're pretty. They're pretty cute. All right. That is everything from me today. I'm sorry this video was pretty laid back. It's a Dollar Tree haul. I can be laid back. Oh, by the way, I was saying I have one at home already, so I'll be able to like put them by each other cutely. And I also have right here a rectangular version with some cute stuff in it. By the way, this is from the Dollar Tree, and so is this. They're cute cat cards. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. It's a little lip balm. It's like a little macaroon. And here's my favorite Glam Cosmetics lip gloss and Dancing Queen. Highly recommend. But yeah, anyways, I need to stop yapping and finish this up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Oh, don't forget to like if you like this kind of video, this kind of laid back, more fun kind of Dollar Tree haul video. Subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a video. Also, comment down below what your favorite thing I got today was. And yeah, I think that's everything for me today. See you next week. Bye, guys.